Mega X 3D printer, come in 2 modules, and all it takes is to plug in 12 screws, and 3 cables, easy to assemble, and get printing right out of the box. Perfect choice, for beginners and veteran. This 3D printer's print precision is greatly improved by equipping it with Y-axis dual sideway design, and Z-axis dual screw rod design. The pitting in the skin, and texture in the clothing all can shows up. No hassle of sticker anymore, ultra base bed surface coated, with patented microporous coating, allowing the print holds strong when printing, and then effortlessly falls off the bed when it cools to room temp. At the end of the print, kindly note, the bed will not go over 90 degrees. Resume print, 1 click to resume, from the last recorded position, when suffered power outages.